What's up, guys? Your boy Quick Stocks is back. As always, remember to hit those thumbs to recharge my dopamine, and we will get right into your quick stock analysis of Snapchat. Ticker symbol SNAP, trading for $21.20 as of June 10th, 2020, equating to a market cap or capitalization of over $30.5 billion. But for real, this is bonkers, boys. Shameless plug, we made a Snapchat analysis a few months ago where we picked up $5,000 of Snapchat. And hopefully some of y'all were around for some OG quick stocks because share price has already rebounded well over 150%. Hopefully we helped make y'all some cold hard cash. So, what's the move? Is it time for us to go Starboy Snapchat, or should we keep this fire burning? This is your quick stock analysis. Some of y'all gotta be wondering how Snapchat has had such a massive rebound. Well, isn't it obvious, fam? It's because I've been buying all of the Snapchat shares. I kid, but for real, the stock has soared after crushing their Q1 2020 earnings at a time of growing concerns over quarantine restrictions cutting into ad spending, which accounts for 98% of Snapchat's revenue. In Q1, Snap boosted its revenue by 58% in January and February, which is actually insane considering they already closed 2019 with more than a 44% increase. On top of that, the company has made significant progress in reducing operating cash burn, as we saw from the company's first quarter, in which the company produced a positive operating cash flow of $6 million and Snap ended the quarter with $2.1 billion in cash and marketable securities. For a company that many analysts believe was going bankrupt and certainly never expected to be profitable, it's bananas, boys. Which leads me to my next point. We've seen a massive increase in large institutions starting to get in on the Snapchat hype train, as Snap has started to turn its balance sheet around. As we can see here, now only 16.5% of Snapchat's outstanding shares are owned by individual shareholders, which, don't get me wrong, is still an absolutely insane amount, especially when you look at other large social media companies like Facebook, where less than 2% of shares are held by individual stakeholders. However, this is very promising for Snapchat, as individual shareholders can only drive the price up so much. The real gains come when these large institutions start to invest billions of dollars into the company. And I gotta admit, it's great to see Snapchat finally getting some love. I'm obviously way overgeneralizing, but only millennials and Gen Z really understand how ingrained Snapchat has become in our generation's everyday life. A lot of these naysayers state that Snapchat will never be consistently profitable or that they don't have a moat. I would have to strongly disagree with that. Yeah, TikTok has become absurdly popular, but it's not a replacement to Snapchat. Yeah, Instagram tried to copy Snapchat stories, but clearly it hasn't slowed Snapchat down. Yeah, Facebook and Twitter are much larger, but once again, it's not a replacement to Snapchat. If you ask a lot of millennials what's their preferred way to communicate with their friends, most of them are going to say Snapchat. That's a dopamine moat, baby. So, what's my move? Well, like I've said a few times in the last few weeks, I honestly do believe the market is overvalued, in which I'm being extremely selective about the companies that I invest into right now. However, I do honestly think Snapchat is still a strong buy. Although it is important to note, multiple times now Snapchat has hit the $20 ceiling, followed by a sharp correction. But in your humble reporter's opinion, $20 is actually going to become the new floor rather than ceiling. However, if you want to bet against your boy Quick Stocks and think history will repeat itself, Snap has seen a sharp 47% decrease in share price 3 times in the last 3 years after hitting the $20 range. That's some Illuminati games right there. But for real, if you think history is going to repeat itself, buy some put options. They're actually fairly reasonable right now for Snap. If we see yet another 47% drop in share price, you would make bank, baby. But let me emphasize this, I do not recommend that. I honestly think Snapchat's bull ride has just begun. Like I said earlier, if you want some more information about the company, we've made a few videos covering Snapchat in the last few months. If you want to check out some OG quick stocks, link in the description. where I go into much more detail about the company operation and numbers, as I don't want to make this video too repetitive. Anyways guys, this was your reporter Quick Stocks. As always, the best investment you can make is to go long on Quick Stocks. Hit that subscribe button now at 378 subscribers and plan an early retirement. I'll catch you guys in the next one.